How does low libido affect relationships? Low libido indicates reduced interest in lovemaking. Although it is common to lose desire in love affairs at a certain point in life, it is a matter of concern if the problem persists for a long time. 85% of women said low sexual desire hurts intimacy levels with a partner. And sometimes, due to the low libido in men, the female partner finds a capable male lover and marital life ends. Causes for low sex drive in men. Various factors can cause low libido in men. Reduction in testosterone levels is one of the most significant reasons. The other reasons include high levels of prolactin, imbalance in the thyroid, chronic diseases, and some medications taken for conditions. Instead of depending on unsafe products to boost libido and save a relationship, it is recommended to use herbal libido enhancement pills. Herbal pills to increase libido levels in males. Bluze capsules are the best natural supplement to enhance men's libido. Besides treating low libido, Bluze capsules will help treat other sexual problems such as low sperm count, premature ejaculation, weak erection, erectile dysfunction, and impotence. If you want Bluze capsules at home discreetly, watch this video until the end. Bluze capsules enhance hormonal secretion and increase testosterone levels in the body. These capsules contain effective herbs that improve men's vitality and vigor. These herbs play a significant role in enhancing energy levels. Potential herbal ingredients in Bluze capsules are jaifal, dalchini, pokhara, jaipatri, tambul, akarkara, kesar, moti, samar, safed muesli, kachala, shilajit, ashwagandha, salab misri, tulsi, talmakana, and conch. How do Bluze capsules increase male libido? The herbs in Bluze capsules rejuvenate the stressed-out reproductive system by guiding energy flow toward the male genital region. Another advantage of Bluze capsules is that these pills help improve semen production. With higher semen production with motile sperms, a male can achieve fatherhood quickly and stay fertile and potent for more extended life. Bluze capsules make a male keener and more capable lover in bed who can provide maximum satisfaction to his female partner and possess extraordinary potency and virility. To get the maximum benefits of these pills, you must intake Bluze capsules with water or milk twice daily. You can consume one capsule in the morning after breakfast and another capsule at night after dinner. Additional tips: mediations, periodic laughing classes, and regular physical exercises enhance libido levels in men. It will help if you consume a healthy diet. Eat black raspberries, pine nuts, avocados, watermelon, and broccoli. These are the best foods to boost your libido. You are advised to stop smoking and drinking alcohol in excess. Conclusion: Bluze capsules are the best herbal pills to boost libido in males. So, anyone who uses Bluze capsules sees positive results. World's finest libido enhancer pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Bluze capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.